ano po yung nakikita nyo po yung mga car part nila na visible po talaga sila. Kaya lang, kagandaan lang talaga niya pagka talagang na-transform mo ng car mode dyan, ay talagang siya lang ang masasabi mo na panalo kasi excuse me, matibay yung plastic. At saka yung wala silang ganong panel. Yung hindi marami ang panel nila. Kaya pagka pagka tinransform mo yan, ay siguradong yung pagiging car part nila ay talaga napakaganda. Tsaka yung mga una talaga masasabi natin na toy material. Alam niyo po pag tinawag na toy material, na talagang kahit nilaruin ng bata, wag lang pupukpukin, wag lang lalagariin, wag lang susunugin, ay talagang magtatagal po. Not like yung mga ngayon dahil masyado na pong maraming details at ang napakarami po ng pagtupi-tupi na part niya bago mo po matransform yan, po siya, fragile. Kumbaga, medyo kailangan ingat po sa pag-transform para magtagal po yung toys. Hello kay Joseph. Hello Joseph. iPhone fan. iPhone fan. Hello Joseph. That's Generation Blur. Yesterday we showcased our Transformer Generation Drift, and that Blur is same mold as you can see. They have the same type of robot type. Difference between different color and different head sculpt, and also the spoiler. So that you can see it by example. We're gonna take drift here. Yeah, so that's drift. They're the same. There's a hurricane. Where hurricane? Where? That drift and the blue one is Blur. The one with fast talking, fast movement, very speedy. That is Earth mode. In Generation 1 cartoons Transformers, we saw Blur is it's like a futuristic car, Cybertronian car that it's what you call it, it's Cybertronian type of car. There's a hurricane. Where's the hurricane? Yeah, that's the comparison. You see Drift and Blur, they are the same type of car, same parts. The difference is this one. This is spoiler. See the spoiler and the spoiler of the blue one, the Blur. That's the difference. But they're the same. Very nice. Robot mode and car mode. In Florida, but I want US. It's in Florida, but I want to outskirts. Okay, you can outskirts. Hello everybody, and I hope you all finish eating lunch at the same time enjoying my life. Hello everyone, as Net Jadias said, that's you see the difference